Welcome to Christ College, Ribhoi. Established in 2022 by the Carmelite Sisters of St. Teresa, we offer a 4-year undergraduate program in subjects like economics, education, English, geography, history, khasi, political science, and sociology. Boost your learning with VAC, SEC, MDC, and AEC courses, or gain practical skills through vocational training in tailoring, embroidery, and mushroom cultivation. At Christ College, learning is joyful, holistic, and life-shaping. Admissions open now. Visit our website or contact the college office to know more. Christ College, where dreams take flight. Ka-Alpha English High Secondary School Nongpoh hakakhatsaw tarik jamang kalayo ya kamadan basketball bathamay. Yakani kamadan basketball latay deka jingkershan bailud naka scheme SRWP kabalakan jo san laktengka bala ay da uba Mayralborn CM MLE. Uba Mayralborn CM MLE ulapli yakani kamadan basketball bat penbena ba kalalong menta banyalekay. Hakani kesngi ladan lang ka lalchan nami marak na umling blok ka kong WK bla principal kikimi kikpa bat kikhana na kani ke school. Hakani kesngi lapan Khuborom ru iki khana puli ki bala pas baha hak examine SSLC bat HSSLC da ki memento bat song pisa yakitu ki bala wan khamsha khaman haka result embos. Hakani ka jingya lang lapan ipat ba ya ka trophy bat busket jong ka jingya ko basketball SS bla Memorial Basketball Championship kapan salong shen ban pensa nam ya ka nong hikai jong ka ni ka school ka bala klan no.
That's a miss. Yeah, come on. This is the reason.
Just the beginning of a long journey that you have to encounter several challenges in days to come. Those who have choose different line, parents who have opportunity to send your children within the state or outside the state, we wish you all the best. Present who cannot afford to send their children for further studies outside the state, we wish you all the best. But I'm not wrong to say that parents have sacrificed everything. You don't give it back. Ban penbit penbiang yang jindon kam yang ikun. Kita sim nagaram kasya kalun, educational loan ban kiwe. Ban pentik kena bagi kun iksi bidupi inyo engine pule kababha. Indon yang lawe kabapernai. Ngikit bok kiwyang yang kimi kipa. Kimala kristam, kimala kersan, yang ikun bidupi. Student with free education. This is one of the good initiatives that you have taken. We congratulate the school management. Keep it up. Hats off to this initiative. At the same time, to those students who have had this opportunity, this privilege. But the government is with the people of the state as much as it can to ensure that different facilities is being provided at different levels. Financial assistance, grant in aid, salaries of the teachers, infrastructure to the school. I'm not wrong to say in the past also, Alpha English Higher Secondary School have received various financial assistance from the government. But that will not be enough without the dedication, the hard work, and the facilities that yourself as management that you have contributed toward this beautiful institution that has been created in this beautiful town. Despite of all the challenges, we are here today to ensure that the future of all the students who are here, they will see the light of the days in days to come. Probably with parents, there are certain instances that I have come across. There are students who jungi kibom nang ban buram, dia kimi kipa. Kibom nang ban buram, dia kinong hikai. Kibom nang ban buram dia kipahalon. Namong babarok kilong mukaem, kato ni gidon. Kibom nang ban buram. They don't know how to respect others. They don't know how to recognize. They don't know how to acknowledge whatever the parents, the teachers, the guardian, they have done for them. Iklet no. Ye gijing le bhai, interest tom, ye gijing let la de. Jong tinong sumar yang ni. Kila bende ki kimi kipa, kila bende ki bahaying ki bahasem, kila bende ki nong hikai. Nak skul bayi, sumar ban mau bagi di benang ban buram. Ye gijing le bhai, jong ki kimi kipa, jong ki nong hikai jong. Ngalai ida jong ki kemat. Idon ki kena. Sang na kadau bagi kimi kipa. Kim di benang ki ustaz. Alam ki hukum kita. Hijau ke umat. Habai hukum kini ki jinja. Tidak jah. Karena keperluan mesin ini. Ndring tidak nak.